Hello, it's me, Arrow the Grey Wolf, and today I decided to buy some Phantom Rage packs from my local Target, believe it or not. These were, I guess, like $3.99 a piece, and I decided to pick 5 of them because I do want an Ark Rebellion. Alright, first pack. Alright. Gluttonous Reptilian Fish, Hama, Raid Raptors, Spiritual World. Ooh, a super rare. Brigade. Penguin Brave. Virtual Dragon Long Lost. Alright, next pack. Mutants. Virtual World. Dual Avatar. Rank kits I will never use. More of these. Burn these. Alright, third pack. Halfway done. Alright, UA. Genome. World. Another super. Let me say this. From like packs, I have not pulled a single ultra from this set. Or secret. Come on, please. Dude. Nah. Another super rare. Possessed. Alright, final pack. Alright. No ultras or secrets. And plus, one of these cards is new, and I haven't even... So this is like the only new card that I pulled. The rest of these, I already have these. Boy. I guess I'm going to try again later.